Have you ever received hot-dip galvanized steel that looks slightly bent or distorted and wondered what happened? Distortion happens when steel is exposed to heat during the galvanizing process, causing internal stresses to be released. Most distortion is caused by residual stress from welding, cutting, or uneven fabrication, not the galvanizing itself. Thin sections, asymmetrical designs, or heavily welded structures are most prone to movement during galvanizing. The key is good design and fabrication practice, balanced welds, proper stiffening, and stress relief before the galvanizing all reduce movement. Hot-dip galvanizing does not create stress, it simply reveals stress that was already locked inside the steel. If you want to reduce distortion risks on your next project, speak to the Galvatech team before fabrication starts.